Royal Trucking, we haul just about anything that can be put in a trailer or on a trailer. We have 220 trucks on the road. Every truck that we own is on OnCommand connection.
The OnCommand connection has many things that you can gain from it. The lowest apple that we can grab is reducing unscheduled downtime. The number that's been given to me is $1,000 a day when a truck is broke down.
We wanted this system because of the dependability. We could see fault code monitoring. We were able to determine whether that truck needed to go in the shop then or if we could keep running it. Health report on the OnCommand system is much like you going to the doctor and getting a checkup. Hey, it's Jesse, Royal Shop. It's ain't there where you got a check engine light on your truck. When I look at this screen, I want to see what's going on with my trucks. I look over there at it, it does have a check engine light on. It's telling me the EGR valve is not communicating with the ECM of the truck. We notified this driver and let him know that he's not going to break down, and we've already ordered the part for this truck.
One phenomenal thing about OnCommand Connection is the fact that it can connect to lots of different telematics providers and will work with all makes of vehicles. That is something that no one else can provide.
Going back to 2013, we did see maintenance costs 16 up to 18 cents a mile to keep a truck on the road. As we evolved into the OnCommand connection, we were able to see maintenance costs go from that 16 down to 12. Anytime we save money, we save our customers money, everybody's happy in the industry.
OnCommand Connection is a tool that's allowed us to partner with our customers in a way that's never been possible before.
I can actually call Waters Truck and Tractor and say, you need to look on OnCommand. This is what I'm seeing. What do you think about it? Whether I fix it or Waters fix it, it's back on the road.
Customer response has been overwhelmingly positive. I've worked with fleets as large as 400 trucks to customers as small as 1 truck. When I see the customers' trucks on the road and saving large amounts of money, those things have made me a huge champion of OnCommand Connection.
I'm from the old school. When somebody told me, hey, you can fix a truck before it gets here, you had to prove it to me. OnCommand proved it to me.